Hello everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to walk through a loan creation process. Sangamesh is going to give us a hands-on demonstration, and by the end of this you'll be able to do pretty much everything with a loan that you need to. I always like to start these sessions by pointing out where you can find your user manuals and your documentation. So if you look at our wiki pages, you have a section called the Mifos User Zone, and welcome to your tools. Within that, you can drop down and find the information you need. Today, we're going to walk through the various ways to create a loan, process it, and so on. If the documentation doesn't provide you the information you need, or if you just have another question and you just kind of are curious about how something works, use our Answer Hub. It's pretty good. You type in your topic, your question, and the screen will populate with the answers that have been submitted. If that doesn't provide you what you need, simply ask a question. Someone from our community will respond in a very quick fashion. Now I'd like to turn the control over to Sangamesh, where he will give us the hands-on demonstration. Take it away.
Hi, I'm on the Mifos login page. Let me log in as a super user by providing Mifos as username and the password as password. And go to the clients. As you could see list of clients here, wherein two of the clients are associated with branch office B Street, and the other two clients are associated with two other offices. Let me click on groups, then see the group list. You could see group 1 BS is associated with B Street, and group SC is associated with Santa Cruz office. And this is the group page. Let me go to the centers and show the center. This center is associated with B Street, and this is the group center page. And in this group, GPBS 0001 is the group. So we could directly go to the clients. Let me go to Jack, client Jack, or you could directly search here. Let me search for Anna. Okay, and if you want to disperse, or if you want to create a new loan application for individual, then it could be from this one, new loan. If you want to give the group loan, then you need to go to the groups, then click on a required group, and you could see here group loan application. And if you want to give JLG loan, then you could click here, JLG loan application. Now let me go to Anna and create a individual loan. So let me click on new loan and select the product. So this product, the income generation loan is already defined, and these values are fetched with by selecting this product. Let me disperse the loan as on 2nd of September. I'm doing the backdated transaction to to make use of the or to make the repayments, since we can't make the future date transactions. So let me click on repayment info. You could see the repayment schedule and click on submit. So this is the first step for submitting the new loan application. This orange colored mark, if you hover on this one, you could see submitted and pending for approval. So this is the first uh, step, and the second step is, assuming this was submitted by loan officer and it's pending for approval by a senior person who can be a branch manager. A branch manager looks out all the details and check the repayment schedule, check the loan documents, then approves, or he could reject the loan, or he could um, delete the loan depending upon his permissions. So for now, let me move to the next step by approving the loan. Approved on 2nd September. Then click on submit button. You could add note as well. Now the loan has been approved but pending for dispersal. If I come back to the client page, you could see here, if I hover on loan, you could see approved. You could disperse from here as well. But let me go to the client and disperse. And before dispersing, I would like to show you that you could do, or you could disperse to normal disbursement, or if you have a link savings account which is attached to the loan, you could disperse to the savings. So for now, let me disperse to normal disbursement, and disperse has on 2nd September, and you could select the payment type and you could provide the note and click on submit. Now the loan has been dispersed, has on 2nd September, and you could see the icon is showing in red color because the loan is in arrears, because it was dispersed on 2nd September, till date it's not yet paid. In order to make the repayment, you could click on make repayment. So automatically it shows the next repayment date, which is this loan was defined for a weekly loan, and that is the reason it is showing the next repayment date has 9th September. So let me click on submit, assuming this amount is being paid by the client. Let me click on submit. If I go and click the repayment schedule, you could see the loan has been repaid as on 9th September for the first installment. And if I click on transaction, you could see the transactions done for this loan. In order to prepay the loan, you could click on prepay loan, and all the loan amount gets collected. If I click on submit, and the loan gets closed, the black colored icon shows as closed loan. You could see here has on today the loan has been closed with the prepayment and collected all the principal and the interest. So if I go back to the ANA page, then you could see here no active loans are available. If I click on the view closed loans, you could see the closed loan uh, list. So this is a cycle for a loan process. In the same way, you could follow the steps for group loan, and same procedure gets followed. You could check all the default values, then click the submit. Then next is approving the loan. The next is um, disbursing the loan. The same step follows. In the same way, for JLG loan application, same steps get followed. So let me pass it back to Dana. Thank you, Dana.
Thank you so very much. I always enjoy your demonstrations. Again, I like to remind people to use the Answer Hub. If you have any kind of questions, you want to test something, you want to play with an idea, use our demo server. It's out there specifically so you can hack around and kind of think products through and test them. You won't do it any harm whatsoever, and then you can play a little bit. If you've not signed up for your user list yet, please do so. We send out meeting notifications, and other people in the community use this as a forum to ask questions as well. If you need chat support, we have Gitter, and of course, our main website and our community mailbox. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.